Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll go ahead and show you how to remove and replace Upstream oxygen sensor on Kia Forte. So, if you have a Kia Forte guys, this video should be helpful. Now, if you need some help with the codes and stuff like that, we'll have the videos on the channel, so please check it out. Please subscribe. We have more than 200 videos taking this Kia apart, so we'll have video about almost anything you can think of. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's start on it now. So once you remove the engine cover, okay, you can see guys, this is where the oxygen sensor is. Okay, right there, this is the Upstream oxygen sensor, and you can see the wire goes all the way to here now. Okay, you just pull it straight up. Okay, now you need to pull that yellow piece a little bit out, but now here they tend to get stuck. So what you have to do here, get the screwdriver, and there is one black thing that you need to lift up if your connector is stuck, and disconnect it. Okay, like that. Now let us show you where that black thing is. Okay, you can see that black thing. It needs to go up with the screwdriver, and then you can disconnect it. It's supposed to be where you press down on it. Okay, you can see like that, and it will release it, but in some cases it doesn't work as good. It will be stuck. Now we'll be using a special socket for the oxygen sensors. You can find the socket and the parts that we use listed under the video below, in the description of the video, so make sure you check it out guys. This is the socket. Now it's very convenient because it's a deep socket, side cut, so it goes through the wiring of the oxygen sensor. You can go down like that. Okay, make sure it's in, and you have some good leverage as well, as you can see, because it's sideways. Okay, and now just get it loose. Okay, perfect. You can see how easy that thing was. Just unbelievable. After that, most of the times they'll go by hand. If they do not go by hand, go ahead and use the socket. But in our case, pretty simple. So that's how you remove the oxygen sensor out of a Kia Forte guys, you can see. That's the Upstream. The Upstream sensor is the one that is responsible for the fuel and air ratio, so that's the one that's really important. The downstream is the one that checks if the catalytic converter is working fine or if it's not. So this is the important one that will cost you money, because if it doesn't work, your car will be burning more fuel too, and it will not be running as good. So on the tip of the screwdriver we have a little bit of anti-seize grease that we will apply to the tip of the sensor. Not the tip, I mean my bad, to the thread of the sensor. That way, when you need to remove it in the future guys, it will not get stuck in the intake manifold. So we can go ahead, okay, start it by hand now, get it tight as much as you can. After that we will install the socket, get it tight with the socket. You have to make sure that you don't leave that thing loose, because you have an exhaust leak there, it will sound terrible. You can even catch your car on fire if the oxygen sensor is missing. Okay, perfect. Now we have to go ahead and connect our wiring harness. Okay, right there. Push it in until it clicks. Push the yellow piece in, and now install it on the holder. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Many more will be made on this car, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. So see you guys next time.